Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another late night video from Amazon Prime. You guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is check them out. Click on a link down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You get this in no time. Holidays fast approaching. Santa Claus might be a little busy. So we're gonna see what they have to offer. In case they do have any discount codes, it'll be down at the bottom, just in case, you never know. And we have, oh boy, this is cool. Alright, alright. And this is a nice one to have. Boom. Courtesy of LITOM. Really nice to protect your house outside. 30 LED solar motion sensor light. These are really nice. So you can get one for your family members, anybody. Christmas around the corner. I got cut right here. It's raining outside today, so I can't really take this outside, but it's been pouring pretty good down here in Michigan. Oh boy, what do we have here? Holy smokes. Dang. Alright. We have some lights. Oh, it's a 4-pack. Oh, nice. It's a nice little 4-pack right here. You can still see the brightness of them indoors too, so really good to have though around the house. We don't need a manual. Look at that. Oh, these are nice looking. Look at that. Definitely. I'm gonna shut the light off. I'm gonna see that matters. Let's see if it makes a difference. If it stays. There we go. We're right back. Let's see. Okay. Maybe it's not charged up. On his motion, that's right. Oh, jeez. Sorry about that. I forgot about that. Motion is bright. Oh, this is nice. Boom. That's bright. So definitely get a nice mount for a good cost. So definitely, YouTubers, check them out. That brightness. Solar, got the solar out on top, and these are the sensors right down there, like that. Look at that. These are nice. One more time with doing that. I don't want to blind you guys, but I'm blind right there. See how many we could roll up. Oh, okay, easy, 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 easy. Oh, that's kind of bright. Kind of see spots. It's all good though. Push the button. Check, check, check. Boom. Oh boy. It's a light show. My neighbor's like, what's going on in that house? So many lights flashing. It's a party we're having. YouTube light party. Bum 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 bum. And the final one, the final 4. Just push the button. There's a little button right in there, see it? Easy to mount, comes with brackets. There we go, we got the nice, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here? go. Dun, 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 dun. It's a magic show. Do 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 do. Awesome stuff, YouTubers. Check them out. Link is below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Till then, be safe, have a good weekend, and see you back tomorrow for Saturday. Yay!